Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. I have for you a very special video today. I'll be unboxing a brand new Samsung Galaxy S7 in 2019. So yeah, let's get on with it. This phone is not being manufactured for 1-2 years now. I'm not really sure, but that is definitely a certainty. Samsung doesn't produce this phone anymore. This is the black version. Well, nothing special, it's a European model, so the SMG930F with the Exynos processor. You have the usual specs. Nothing is special about this phone except the fact that it's brand new in box and it's never been used. This particular phone has been sitting in a drawer for like 2 years now. So yeah, it's quite amazing that I managed to get a hold of it. It has this protector on the front, protector on the back, protector on the camera, as you can see right here. And yeah, that's about it. Let's boot this phone up. Okay, while it's booting up, let's see what's in the box. So we have the usual stuff, the SIM ejector tool, manuals, micro USB cable, USB on the go adapter, charger, and yeah, well, the sealed headphones, which I already talked about. Yeah, let's not dwell too much on this, it's nothing new. Let's see the phone. This is the most interesting part. So yeah, I'll leave you a couple of seconds to take a look and tell me what software do you think this is. I'm not sure what you've guessed, but if you said Marshmallow, you would be right. So this phone was never updated. We have Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow on it, which is mind-blowing. I don't think there are any S7s out there which still have the Marshmallow ROM on them. And yeah, we do have the flappy thingy here, which is long gone with the Android Pie and Oreo ROMs. I've installed the Phone Info app just to make sure everything is alright and the phone is really brand new. As you can see, the manufacturing date 2016, so it's like 2.5 years old. It is not refurbished, it's original. As you can see right here, it has only 2 discharged cycles and the battery health is, well, really close to the max. So indeed, this really is a brand new Samsung Galaxy S7. So what do I feel about it when I unbox it, as opposed to, well, an S10e that I just did a few weeks ago? The box contents are almost the same, with the exception of the fact that on the S10e you get an additional micro USB to USB Type-C adapter. For this one, it's not the case because we do have a micro USB port here straight on, so you don't need that adapter. Other than that, well, the package is still the same. Nothing has changed really since 3 years ago. So if you ask me, if you manage to get your hands on one of these, install Lineage OS 16 on them. Basically, you'll have the Android Pie ROM on it with the latest security patch level. You can definitely find it very easily on the XDA forum. You can still use this one as a daily driver, but more on this later on. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe I'm gonna keep it this way, maybe I'm gonna use it as my daily driver for a while. It's really interesting to compare a brand new S7 with a brand new, well, younger brethren such as the S10e. As I've already used that for a while, I can give my thoughts on this one running Android Pie, and it would be very accurate because this one is gonna be brand new as well. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. It's quite a feat that I managed to obtain one of these. They aren't that often found on the market. I just got lucky that someone kept it in a drawer for almost 2 years before thinking about selling it. So this was an unboxing of a Android Marshmallow based Samsung Galaxy S7, brand new in box. This was Mike the Tech Savvy. If you liked the video, please do press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here in the bottom left part. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot for your support as well. I wish you a great day. Bye!